Hello everyone, welcome back to a new video of PUBG Mobile. Here you can see the official trailer of PUBG Mobile Erangel 2.0. As you can see the official trailer of Erangel 2.0, we can find lots of changes in the map of 2.0 as compared to the previous version of Erangel 1.0. In Erangel 2.0, graphics are totally changed or you can say totally upgraded by PUBG community. The Erangel 2.0 feeling or you can say the experience is literally awesome. I am experiencing the latest update of Erangel 2.0. I hope you people also experience this 2.0 as soon as possible. If you people ask my feeling or experience about 2.0, I am going to say a single word and end of my experience by saying that Erangel 2.0 for PUBG lovers is marvelous. Guys, go download, install and update it to Erangel 2.0 and have a fantastic experience of it. As we all came to know that PUBG Mobile has banned in India because it was tied up by Tencent Gaming, which is a Chinese gaming company. So Modi has passed a GO to ban PUBG Mobile in India. As PUBG has banned in India, the game was removed from the Play Store and App Store as you can see. So we are not able to update PUBG Mobile Erangel 2.0 in any of our Android or iOS devices. But no worry guys, I am here to help you out for updating your PUBG Mobile Erangel 1.0 to 2.0. In this video I am going to explain how to update your PUBG Mobile Erangel 1.0 to 2.0. As you can see, I have already shared the link of 2.0 to all my friends and they are also experiencing it. The link is mentioned in the description. So guys, go open the link in description and follow the same steps as I am doing. The file size contains 63.60 MB only. So, you people can experience 2.0 only within 5 minutes of installation. When you are going to download the APK file, you can find an interface saying that do you want to keep PUBG Mobile 1.0 anyway. At that time, allow it and press OK. Let it install completely or let's wait till the APK file downloads completely. As you can see, download process is going on. After the download completes, you can directly install by opening the interface shown on your screen. Or you can go to File Manager, then Downloads, and you can find the PUBG Mobile 1.0 APK file. Then install it and wait till installation is completed successfully on your device. After the installation is completed, if you press open, it will directly take you to PUBG Mobile and starts downloading your PUBG Mobile 1.0 resource pack. Note guys, it will be downloaded only when Wi-Fi is enabled on your device. It won't be able to download with mobile data. So be cautious guys, stay connected to an active Wi-Fi. After the process is completed, you will have a new gaming intro of 2.0. As I said, after the total process completed, a new gaming intro of 2.0 is been played. This is the new in-game intro of Erangel 2.0. Okay guys, as you can see, this is the new look of PUBG Mobile 1.0. This is the new interface, as everyone don't know where are the all settings present, so I am going to show some of the settings which are important to us. As you can see, I am doing emotes. It is present on the right side bottom corner, and you can see the below that inventory, missions, workshop, and season 14 stats. After a small pin is present in that, you can see mail settings, clan, crew, rank, gallery, all are set in a single pin. It's better, I think so. And you can see the events on the top right corner. Of above that, you can see RP missions, crates, and shop also, where you can buy the equipments or outputs or gun skins, as we all know. And left side corner, you can find the friends list and download resource pack in the middle of the left side corner. As you want to see your profile pic, you don't need to click on your profile, just swipe right. You can go to your profile, and if you want to see your stats, achievements, points, and all career results, you can click on your tire at the right side corner top. You can see tire review, stats, career results, achievements. And if you want to go back, simply swipe left side. You will go to normal menu, as you can start the game. And right side, we have the events, new events which are launched by PUBG. You can see. Okay guys, you can see here left side bottom, there are classic the modes which we need to play: classic, arcade, evo, ground, arena. After you are selecting arena, classic, or arcade, you need right on the top you can select modes, which map you want to select, as this interface is same as the previous version. You can see these are the important settings which all do know. So guys, that's all for today's video. Hope I think you liked the video. If you like it, share to your friends and tell them to share to their friends who are playing PUBG. Thank you guys. Bye.